Welcome to Top Best Picks. The best Star Wars art set is probably one of the most exciting ways to bring the galaxy far, far away into your own world. Whether you're a seasoned artist or just starting out, this set offers a fantastic opportunity to explore your creativity and celebrate the iconic characters and scenes from Star Wars. Get ready to embark on an artistic journey that's out of this world, and discover how you can create your own stunning Star Wars masterpieces. Number 5. Star Wars Baby Yoda Deluxe Activity Set. This deluxe activity set includes everything your child needs for creative fun. It comes with a carrying tin, coloring sheets, and a variety of art supplies. It's perfect for any young artist. Inside, you'll find over 500 pieces, including stickers, crayons, and markers. This set allows them to stamp, color, and decorate to their heart's content. It's a great way to spark their imagination. The included tin carrying case makes it easy to take this set on the go. They can keep all their supplies organized and contained. It's perfect for travel or just keeping their room tidy. The set features favorite characters like the Mandalorian and Grogu. All their friends are ready to play on the art supplies and stickers. They will love creating with their favorite characters. This activity set makes a great gift for any occasion. It's perfect for Star Wars themed parties, birthdays, or holidays. Give the gift of creativity and fun. What we like. This deluxe set boasts over 500 pieces, offering endless creative possibilities. It's also perfect for on-the-go fun, thanks to its convenient carrying tin. If you're looking for a comprehensive art set that keeps everything organized and entertains kids for hours, this is the one. What people say. They were a big fan, loved all of the pieces and parts, how vibrant it was, and that they will be able to use a lot of the materials inside of this item for quite some time. Comes with more than I expected, and since Christmas his art set is still going strong. Products last a while and many activities to choose from. Nice variety of art supplies made for little hands. My 6-year-old neighbor couldn't wait to try out the markers, crayons and pens nestled inside this colorful tin suitcase. There are also rubber stamps of Mario and Luigi and a red stamp pad. Number 4. Star Wars Mandalorian Baby Yoda Paint Set. Get ready for a creative adventure with this amazing paint set. It includes everything kids need to bring their favorite Star Wars characters to life. Inside, you'll find 2 ceramic figurines ready for your artistic touch. There's the Mandalorian and, of course, Baby Yoda. The set comes complete with paintbrushes and a selection of vibrant acrylic paints. It's all there, ready for immediate fun. Once finished, these figures become awesome room decor or unique gifts. The double value makes it even more special. This official Star Wars product is perfect for birthdays, holidays, or any special occasion. It's packaged in a themed gift box, ready to give. This set is designed for Star Wars fans ages 6 and up. It's a great way to encourage creativity and love for the Star Wars universe. What we like. This set lets you paint your own Mandalorian and Baby Yoda figurines, adding a personal touch to your Star Wars collection. Once finished, you can display them proudly. If you like creating unique, personalized Star Wars decor, this set is ideal for you. What people say. These are a fun activity and come with everything you need. They can be very tedious or simple to paint, you get to choose. The packaging is so fun, the design is great, and the time spent painting is priceless. The figurines themselves appear to be good quality, and fairly durable. Number 3. Star Wars Coloring Book Bundle with Stickers. Get ready for an adventure with this Star Wars Coloring Book Bundle. It includes everything a young Padawan needs to have hours of fun. Inside, you'll find your favorite Star Wars characters like Yoda, Stormtroopers, and Kylo Ren. The bundle brings the galaxy's heroes and villains to life. This set is packed with games, puzzles, mazes, and coloring activities. It's a great way for kids to learn and have fun at the same time. The bundle includes 3 coloring books with over 250 pages in total. It also comes with over 30 stickers to add to the fun. This Star Wars coloring book bundle makes a fantastic gift for any Star Wars fan. It's sure to provide hours of entertainment. What we like. With multiple coloring books and stickers, this bundle provides hours of entertainment. It features favorite characters from the Star Wars movies. If you're looking for a simple and engaging activity to keep kids entertained, this coloring book set is a great choice. What people say. The book with the flame trooper that I got looks so cool, it's like a shiny gold color. The color pages are big and not too much detail or too little detail. Lots of stickers and 2 posters, my grandson loved it. Number 2. Perler Star Wars Beads Bucket Kit, 8500 PCS. This Perler Beads kit is perfect for Star Wars fans. It comes with everything you need to create amazing pixel art projects. Inside, you'll find a whopping 8,500 beads in 18 different colors. It provides a wide range of colors to bring your favorite characters and scenes to life. With the included pattern sheet, you can make up to 27 different Star Wars themed projects. It's a fun and creative activity for kids and adults alike. The kit also includes 3 pegboards and ironing paper. This makes it easy to get started right away. This kit is recommended for ages 6 and up. Remember, ironing must be done by an adult. What we like. This kit allows you to create pixel art with beads, offering a unique crafting experience. It comes with 18 different colors and patterns for up to 27 projects. If you are a fan of hands-on crafts and want to create your own Star Wars characters, this is a fantastic option. What people say. This is a great set for a Star Wars fan. Comes with a lot of beads, 3 bases, and an idea book to create different designs. Great for all ages and Star Wars fans. Exactly what I was hoping for. My 6 and 4-year-olds have loved this. Nos gustó mucho, hemos hecho varios, está muy entretenido, a los fans les vendrá bien. Al planchar hay que hacerlo despacio hasta agarrar confianza. Y pueden padres pueden usar como portavasos, en cuadros para la pared, adornos esferas navideñas, y trae joyita con patrones para hacerlos. Number 1. Baby Yoda 500 Plus PC Arts and Crafts Bundle. Introducing the Baby Yoda Activity Set. It's packed with over 500 pieces of fun. This set is perfect for any young Star Wars fan. Inside, you'll find a Mandalorian activity tin filled with creative supplies. It includes coloring sheets, activity sheets, and tons of stickers. This kit also includes tattoos, crayons, markers, and gel pens. It even comes with a stamp pad, stampers, and a ruler. This Baby Yoda activity set is designed to keep kids entertained for hours. They can explore their creativity and enjoy the Star Wars universe. Looking for a great gift? This activity set is ideal for any Baby Yoda or Star Wars enthusiast. It's sure to bring a smile to their face. As a bonus, this officially licensed set includes a Star Wars decal and a bookmark. It's a complete package of fun and creativity. What we like. This Baby Yoda activity set includes over 500 pieces to keep any Star Wars fan occupied for hours. It also comes with a bonus decal. If you're looking for a gift that will bring a smile to any Star Wars fan's face, this is the perfect choice. What people say. The tin came damaged. My daughter can't even keep all of her art supplies in it. She absolutely loved it, just disappointed. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.